Hello everyone, welcome to GL Shiksha Abhiyan channel. Today in this video, I will show you about the PCRA quiz top 30 important questions that are frequently asked. Prepare this question and I hope that you will do better in your PCRA exam. So let's start without wasting any time. The first important question that is asked in PCRA is the first municipal corporation was set up in 1687 in. कहाँ पे सेटअप हुआ है फर्स्ट म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन 1687 में और इसका आंसर है मद्रास. So write down in your notebooks. So first important question is set up in Madras the municipal corporation. Now let's move to the second question. Second question is the fugitive emission consists of. क्या कंसिस्ट करता है fugitive emission? Yes, the answer is the gas or the vapors from the pressurized equipments due to the leaks and other unintended or irregular release of gases mostly from the industrial activities. तो ये आपका गैस और वेपर्स और प्रेशराइज इक्विपमेंट्स के थ्रू इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटीज़ के थ्रू ये रिलीज होता है. ये आपके फ्यूजिटिव इमिशन कंसिस्ट करता है ये मटेरियल. I hope you understood. Now let's move to the third question. Third question is hydroponics is. Hydroponics क्या है? Yes, hydroponics is a subset of hydroculture, which is a method of growing plants without soil, by instead using material nutrient soil in a water solvent. तो hydroponics क्या होता है? जो मेथड होता है प्लांट्स ग्रो करता है without the use of the soil. So this is the process through which the hydroponics works. So nice question. Now let's move to the next question. The question number 4. The number value 6.022 into 10 raised to power 22 is also called. इस नंबर को क्या बोलते हैं हम? इस नंबर को बोलते हैं Avogadro number. These types of numbers 6.022 into 10 raised to power 22 is called an Avogadro number. So remember that. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is question number 5. The concept of Anuvrata was advocated by. ये concept of Anuvrata है, ये कौन यूज करता है? ये है हमारा आंसर इसका जैनिज्म. सो जो जैनिज्म धर्म होता है वो यूज करता है this Anuvrata. So I hope you understood. Now next move to the next question. Next question is question number 6. Which of the following is a fire and the forest anti-tank missile? Fire and the forest anti-tank missile कौन सा है? वो नाम है उसका NAG. The name is NAG, the missile, and which is also called Namika. So this is the name of the missile that is called a fire and the forest anti-tank missile. So let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Yes, the important one. The replacing plastic cup by the paper cup is preferred because. हम प्लास्टिक कप को पेपर कप से क्यों रिप्लेस करना चाहते हैं? क्यों प्रेफर है? Because it is biodegradable. So important one, the biodegradable features की वजह से हम प्लास्टिक कप को पेपर कप से रिप्लेस करना चाहते हैं. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Humans can be infected by. कौन कौन से वायरस से इन्फेक्टेड होता है? So these are the options that will be given for the PCRA. The options are aerosol, fecal-oral route, or the vector bone. So all three are the types of the viruses through which the humans can be infected. The answer will be the all the above. Through if any of the options comes or any three, or if all the three comes, then answer will be the all three viruses through which the humans can be infected. So next, let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Dada Sahab Phalka Award is given for the excellence in cinema. Those who achieved something in the field of cinema will be given a Dada Sahab Phalka Award. The next question is question number 10. The power plant which converts potential energy of falling water into electricity is. These type of plants are called hydroelectric power plant that converts potential energy of falling water into an electricity. जो falling water होता है उससे electricity produce करता है उसको बोलते हैं hydroelectric power plant. So let's move. 11th question. The Rajya Sabha can have maximum strength of, very easy, 245 members. तो 245 members होते हैं maximum strength जो राज्य सभा में हो सकती है. Next question 12. The perfect equilibrium existing in the biosphere between the various organisms is known as. This equilibrium is known as ecological balance. So remember that. So next is question number 13. The two object masses 1 kg and 3 kg have equal momentum. Okay. What is the ratio of their kinetic energy? Kinetic energy कितनी ratio होगी? Easy. 3:1. Okay. Both have equal momentum. So ratio of kinetic energy is 3:1. So the question number 14. Ozone lies in dash layer of the atmosphere. Yes, very easy. Stratosphere. Stratosphere layer in which the ozone lies. Question 15. Sound waves of which of the following frequency is an ultrasonic sound? So frequency between 22,000 Hz and 30,000 Hz is the frequency for ultrasonic sound. So remember that. Next question. Dash radiation is absorbed by ozone layer. Which radiation? That is ultraviolet radiation is absorbed by the ozone layer. So next the question is the question number 17. Who is the current Union Minister of the Railway? Yes, it is of BJP. Of that is Piyush Goyal. Okay, this is the current Union Minister of the Railway. Next question is question number 18. The main function of white blood cells. Main function of white blood cells क्या होते हैं? To fight infections by attacking bacteria. White blood cells helps to fight infections. Helps us to fight infection by attacking the bacteria. Let's move to the next question. Question number 19. The growth in the plant is. Plant's growth कैसे होती है? The outcome of cells division and the engagement of the new cells. When new cells produces, then only the growth of the plant take place, and also through the process of photosynthesis. Next is question number 20. Which body organ is surrounded by the meanings? Yes, which body organ is surrounded by the meanings? The answer is brain. Next, the question number 21. Who proposed ionic theory of acid and bases? The answer is Svante Arrhenius. Svante Arrhenius is the who proposes the ionic theory of acid and the bases. Next is question number 22. The adverse effect of modern agriculture is. Yes, the effect can be water pollution, soil pollution, and the water lodging. So all three can be affected by the modern agriculture techniques. Next question is question 23. Which planets look reddish in the night sky? Yes, the reddish planet will be the Mars. When you look in the night sky, it will appear reddish in color. Question 24. Amongst the greenhouse gases, concentration have increased the most since 1750. Which gas concentration increased? So the answer is carbon dioxide, that is CO2. Next is question number 25. Dash is the alternate source of energy that utilises naturally heated water by the earth's internal heat. So the answer is geothermal energy. So geothermal energy is which is affected by the water's internal heat. Next is question number 26. Supersonic planes flies with the speed of. Supersonic speed क्या स्पीड होती है? Greater than the velocity of the sound. Sound से भी ज़्यादा स्पीड होती है supersonic planes की. So this is the question number 26. Now the last three questions are coming. The number of electrons in the outermost shell in the atom of an element is. The number of atoms जो present होता है outermost shells में is 2. Now the 28th. What are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels, as you know, is a natural fuel such as coal or in the gas formed in the geological past from the remains of the living organism. Very easy. Next is question number 29. A dangerous activity which results in the many deaths due to the gas explosion, caves in and flooding is. So the dangerous activity is coal mining. Okay. Now the last question of the today video. Yes, the 29 question. These are the 29 questions, and that can be asked in the PCRA quiz competitions, and these are the most important ones. I will upload more questions related to it in the next video.